Thank you, guys.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Okay, and this got damaged in handling, but it appears that what was supposed to be in here did get delivered. But the post office put this around it to say that it was damaged, and the envelope inside doesn't say anything, but this is how I received it. And 430. Is she contemplating the difference between the 6S Plus and the 6 Plus?
She wants a white screen plus size phone. And the only
I strongly recommend waiting until we have one that's a 6S Plus. I am...
This is the worst phone that Apple made because the shell is made out of aluminum. It also takes a little body heat in your back pocket of your booty to start to curve it.
This phone looks like it might be bent. Going to test it on this piece of glass to show if it is bent. It will lift off of this glass, and yes, this phone is clearly bent. And turning this the other way to show, here's the camera hanging off the edge. Here is it lifting off of the glass. And the reason it does that is because this metal here is curved. Clearly also there is a gapping where this the width of the screen off of the from the shell of the device is not the right thickness. Moving to this side, it's a little bit better. This is, you can even feel a ridge here, whereas you can't feel a ridge here. Even a blind person could see that this screen is not properly mounted. Again, the bend test is this right here to show that the shell of this device is bent. So this phone will be going back. There is the there is the device IMEI. I'm pretty sure that none of this bending happened in transit, because in order to bend a phone like this, you would usually break the screen as well.
Do you receive any good sixes?
Yeah, I've added them. What are you doing?
I'm comparison testing it with another device. This is the phone that is bent. Oops. And then when I put this one, which is a different phone, I push it, it does not lift off the glass. See, no lifting. And then I test this one, it lifts off the glass. I can switch places with them so that, again, this is the phone being sold. This is it being pressed and lifting off the glass. This is this one being pressed and not lifting off the glass. Putting them closer to the camera. And to show just how much this is lifting off the table, I slides underneath clean because it is so far lifted off the, and then checking it with this phone, I can't slide it under this at all because, and I am pressing that, it won't lift off, of course. This phone is going back to the seller. I did not purchase a bent phone. You shipped me a bent phone and did not disclose that this phone is bent. And the bend is in the metal. It's hard to perceive in an image, but this bending can be shown by putting it on a flat surface and pressing that corner, and it doesn't lift if it's not bent. It does lift it if it is bent. A bent phone is not a used phone, it's an abused phone. This is the end of the video.